Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can claim 2 USDT daily using this Telegram bot. So you are going to click on the link that I have put in my description, and then you're going to head over to site. Once you've been brought to this page here, you are going to press on start now, and then you're going to click on start mining. So as you can see, it has automatically started mining. So for the next thing that you need to do is to perform this task here. You need to perform all these tasks here. You need to check in daily. Now, once you've performed these tasks here, you need to enter your lucky draw. As you can see, I have one spin available. So I'm going to click on this free spin and hopefully I'll be gifted some tokens. So once that is done, you are going to head over to this section that says upgrade. So within the daily checkups, you will be coming here, and as you can see in this page, these are the paid. These ones you have to pay for them. These are the tokens that you have to pay for them, and they will increase your chances of getting tokens. But when you head over to this upgrade section here, you will find the free tokens which are available. So you can try out these free tokens and see which one you can afford. So once you've bought these tokens here and you have qualified to withdraw, you will head over to this section. So once you've reached to the section or that you want to convert your tokens, to convert them to USDT, you're going to head over to this section that says ASI USDT, and then you're going to hit over to convert all your tokens that you'd like to convert. And once you've finished that, you're going to head over to this section that says withdraw, and then all you need to do is to put your wallet address and the withdraw amount that you'd like, and you need to set a password for this to be seamless, and then all you need to do is to confirm, and that is how you will have withdrawn, or that is how you will have made money through this platform. So I hope you found this content useful and consider subscribing.